up, guys? Your boy Big A here with another quick video. I hope you guys are staying home, staying safe, keeping your loved ones safe. Hopefully we could all get through this horrible pandemic soon, and we could go back and hunt. So here we go, guys. I have not been doing very much hunting, for obvious reasons, but every now and then when I go out and to buy some essentials, I swing over to the Hot Wheel area and see what they have. Some of these castings I picked up at Target, some at Walmart, because as you already know, some castings are exclusive to either store. So let's get started with this Fast and Furious set. Oops, sorry about that. Lay this down. So this is a 2015 Mercedes AMG GT. And the one thing I want to point out to you guys right off the bat is that each one of these cars were shown or showcased in one of the Fast and Furious movies. This one, for example, it tells us that it was shown in it was part of the Fate of the Furious movie. Here you go. This is a pretty cool car, nice little gray color. I love the double black stripes there all over the top. I love that Mercedes emblem there. Check that out. Very, very nice piece. A little something to be desired on the back. It does not have any decals on the back, but it's okay. That's something I could fix. So pretty cool. Check out this Nissan 370Z in yellow, and this is part of the Fast and Furious 6. Pretty cool. Nice little yellow, black interior. Got the black 5-spoke rims. Pretty nice. Check out the front there. It's got the Nissan emblem right there. A little small, but it's okay. Check out the back. It also lacks a little detail on the backlights, but it's okay. It's something that I could take care of. Next, we have this McLaren 720S in a metallic gray. Pretty cool. I love that panoramic view. Black interior. Here you go. This one also lacks some decals on the back tail lights, but it's cool. That's something that could be corrected with some acrylic paint. And this was part of the Hobbs and Shaw movie, so pretty cool. Next, we have the Lamborghini Gallardo LP 560-4. This car is really, really nice. Check out that emblem there. Pretty cool. It's got the smoke windows all around. So I can't tell you what the interior looks like. Ooh, nice. Now this one does have the decals on the back. Or check out that Lamborghini emblem there. Pretty cool. This is a very, very nice piece, guys. Last car of the set is the 69 Ford Torino Taligetta. And this was part of the Furious 7. Here we go. Pretty cool car. Nice gold color. Really, really nice. Next we have some Matchbox pieces. And this is a 59 Coronet police car. This is a recolor. This color came out, I believe, last year. I don't remember what case, but it was an all black piece, if I remember correctly. Now we have it in a baby blue or sky blue and white combination. Pretty cool. It says Matchbox County Patrol. Very nice piece. I also picked up this 69 Ford Mustang GTCS. Very, very nice piece. see, I'm trying to make out what it says there. Yeah, I'm having, California Adventure, I believe it says. I'm sorry, I can't really read what it says. But anyways, very nice piece. The only thing I don't like is that chrome interior. I don't know why they did that, but, whatever. It's something that I could fix. But overall, it's still a pretty cool piece. Next, we have the 93 Ford Mustang LX SSP. As I've shared with you many times, I'm a sucker for black and white police cars, and this one definitely fits that profile. So this one is says Texas Department Public Safety. Pretty cool. This police says State Trooper 5.0. And this is part of the Mustang series. So as you can see here, it's a set of 12. This is 2 of 12. I did not find the complete set. I probably would have picked it up, but I'll pick them up as I find them, hopefully, because my understanding is that Matchbox is no longer doing carryovers or extending the models to new cases and stuff like that. So I don't know if it applies to the sets as well, or just the single models like this one. So anyways, here we go. This is number 6 of 12. Nice little 19 Ford Mustang coupe, nice green color with some gold 5-spoke rims. And it appears that the interior is a light gray. Pretty cool. Check out the decals on the back. I'm trying to get this camera to focus. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah. Sorry about that. It's pretty cool. I also picked up this nice 2018 Ford Mustang convertible. Very, very nice. Nice chrome 5-spoke rims. Love the paint color on this. Here we go. Pretty nice little decals there. Check out the front. Pretty cool. I also picked up this really cool Nissan Skyline. This is also part of a set. This is 1 of 5. I did not care for the other 4 models. I know I've shared with you guys that I'm a big fan of the Mustang brand, and this car I did see, but honestly I did not like the design, so I did not pick it up. Neither did I like the other models, so I left them behind. Hopefully somebody else finds them, and those cars find a nice home. Yeah, but this one I did really like a lot. I'm a huge fan of these Nissan Skylines, so pretty cool. Now this 9-pack I found at a Target yesterday, so pretty cool. And I really scored with this one, because this one has like 8 of the 9 cars that I was waiting for. Pretty sure that all, with the exception of that exclusive Firebird or Camaro, I'm not sure what it is, but I'll tell you in a moment, are part of the G case. So let's go ahead, and I went ahead and opened it up so that I could display them for you. So here we go, guys. Got my little rotating display here. So check this out. This is a Pontiac Trans Am. This came out in a like an orange color, and it was also a color exclusive for Target. I don't know where I have it. It's tucked away somewhere in one of my bins. But yeah, it's pretty much the same model. The only difference is, of course, the color. So pretty cool. Here's another piece I've been waiting for. I'm very excited I found it. This is the Nissan 370. Nice white with a red stripe. Pretty cool. You know, this car is going to be very sought out, so good luck finding this one, guys. It's going to be, you'll find it eventually, but it's gonna take a while before you guys find them. So just be patient, and you guys will find it. It is also the super treasure hunt, if I'm not mistaken, for the G case. But the only difference is the color. The super treasure hunt is blue. This one is white. So it's just a regular mainline model. Let's move on to the next one. Next casting is the Jaguar. See if I could read what this is. Looks like a Jaguar XESV Project S. This is a recolor. This color, I don't remember what the color was, and it was released a couple of cases ago. Believe it was orange. You guys correct me if I'm wrong, but this is a nice little recolor there. I love that panoramic view up there. Pretty awesome. Next we have, what is this? This is a Copo Camaro in purple. Check this out, guys. Pretty cool. Love that color purple with the white stripe there. Pretty cool. Check that out. Let's move on to the next piece. This is a Corvette Roadster, if I'm not mistaken. I can't tell what the year is. Is it 66? It's hard to tell because it's chrome, but yeah, anyways, it's a Corvette Roadster. It was also released as a regular mainline and a super treasure hunt. So pretty cool. Yeah, the regular mainline was, I believe, was like a yellow color, and the super treasure hunt version was nice gold color. So this one is pretty cool. I like it a lot better than the previous mainline color. So pretty cool. Let's move on to here you go. This is, oops, let's turn it around here so we can read what the model is. This is a Porsche 355 Outlaw. Check that out, guys. Pretty cool. This casting has been released quite a few times. Now we have it in the gray. It is also part of a Team Transport, and it is also part of Pop Culture series. I don't remember which one it is. I think it's the Boulevard set in a yellow color. I have not found those yet, guys, but when I do find them, I'll be more than happy to showcase them for you. So here you go, guys. Pretty cool. I want to say I got really lucky with this one because, usually when you buy 9-packs, you'll be lucky if you find 4 cars that are cool, or even 5 that are cool, and then the other ones are crappy. This one, is pretty cool. I got 8 out of 9, so it's pretty cool. So this one is also a recolor, and this is a Lotus Esprit S1 in a nice candy apple green. Pretty cool. Very, very nice. This was also part of an exotic 5-pack, and it was released in yellow, if I'm not mistaken. So now we have it in green. Pretty cool. Next one up. Oops, sorry. This is sorry guys. I know it's an Acura for sure. I'm just trying to give you the right information here. Yeah, 2000. Looks like a 1990 Acura NSX, I believe it is. Nice little red. I remember seeing this one on the Lamley Group channel, and when I first saw it, I did not see the full detail because I only saw it, inside the blister. So it's kind of hard to really appreciate the detail of a car when it's in its packaging, but pretty cool. And the last car is this Indy Opal or whatever. I don't know. Some Indy car that I don't really care for. You guys might. I know, some people are fans of these castings. I really don't care for it. So here you go. So anyways, guys, that is all all the cars we have for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.